Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, Rouse Automotive. My 2008 Acadia. What I did is I took a radio out of the donor vehicle. You know, I didn't really perceive it to be a big deal to stick a radio in this vehicle, but ended up giving me a little bit of a run for my money, I should say. I tried with the snap-on to do a VIN relearn on it, and that was not possible. I looked and looked and looked and looked for the information. It took me a little while to find it, but I finally dug around enough to where I found the information. I'm going to go ahead and go through there. Like I said, I'm sorry. This is after the fact. You just have to take my word for it. What I did, so I got the Tech 2 hooked up, and I went in there and I figured surely that the Tech 2 could unlock the radio, because it's theft lock active is what is displayed on the screen when you change radios in these things, because the VIN number from the vehicle that you put it in, or that they put it in, I should say, marries to the radio. So theft lock, of course, was active when I stuck it in there. I know I'm backtracking a little bit, but anyway, bear with me. I hope that you can see this. So the only option here is, of course, diagnostics. This here is a 2008, and that goes all the way up to, let me back up, I think it's a 7. These radios here should work from 2007 till 2014. Could be wrong on that one. I think it's all the same. This one here is an 8. I hope the camera can see that. Of course, this is a light-duty truck, GMC. And this one is R. And we've got, I hope it can pick it up, powertrain, body, automatic, AC. I probably should have laid it down on the hood and pointed the camera toward it, which I might do that because that might work out better for us. Yeah, let me. This may work out better for us. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get you in there so you can see the screen. Sorry about that shaking. I think you can see that. I hope you can see that. We got digital radio receiver. We've got data display, diagnostic trouble code, and module ID information. Not going to help us any. Exit back out of that. Then we have radio, diagnostic, data display, special functions, and module ID information. Okay, now when you go to the data display, that does show you that the theft lock is active. But anyway, back to this special function, output control, front and rear speakers. That's it. That's all we got. So no dice there. Go back out of that. Go back out of here. Back out. Radio. Obviously nothing in the radio. So go straight to the body control module. We'll go special function. And miscellaneous tests. But the only thing that I can see, and those are all the functions in here. So no luck there. So basically, I was unable to find any kind of information within the scan tool to where I could force the body control module to relearn the VIN number, and basically that's what would wipe out the radio as well, because it would ask you that. Now, of course, we can. I could have gone and rewrote the computer. I could have done it that way, and that would definitely work, but there's also another way. And the way that works, and like I said, I'm sorry, you just have to take my word for it. Let me back out of here. Back out of here altogether. Okay, start fresh. This is the main page, main menu, main page, whatever you want to call it. So we'll select diagnostics. Head on out to 2006. Passenger car. It's a Chevrolet. Yeah, that's a W body, Monte Carlo LTZ. We'll go to body and accessories. Body and accessories, or press F6. Okay, in the body and accessories, we go to entertainment. We head into entertainment, and from there oh no, it's not there. Let's head into special functions, radio, speakers. Well, so that's the information that I found. Well, that ain't working. So step by step we followed along here, right? Correct? We can all see that. So back out of here. Actually, I'm just going to do this and turn it back on. That one here has got the latest available card, 33.004. That was the latest one that is available for the Tech 2 before it goes into their newer interface. So just a second. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over. Pause that camera. Well, yeah, pause the camera up. And just to be clear, the GM MDI is going on next. So I figured I had that in there before somebody asked the question. I am using the MDI. Now this is on my computer. Now I'm not going to go into a whole lot of detail. If somebody does need to do the same thing with the Tech 2, just contact me and we can talk about it. I'm not going to go into a whole lot of detail. Once again, I'm going to go ahead and enter in here, and this is, I shouldn't have to say that, this is Tech 2 Win, basically the Windows version of the Tech 2 scan tool. So again, we're at the main screen. We going to go through the same exact procedure, diagnostics, same as before. 2006. It's going to be passenger car, and in this case it's going to be a Chevrolet. I'm going to have to head on down because it's a W body. I'm going to enter in here, and very first option, just like on the Tech 2, Monte Carlo LTZ. So once you get to this one, it's body and accessories, just as we did before. look for entertainment. We'll scroll down. And we want to look for module setup. Head into radio. Boom! And here we are in the VIN Relearn. Okay, now let me pause this up. Okay, I'm actually recording the screen inside the vehicle right now. I do not know what this will do. I can tell you this. The fact that my radio is working is proof enough that I in fact got that to work yesterday. I don't know what this is going to do. I would assume it goes into a message that will say no VIN. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead with enter. Do you want to clear the radio theft information? And hit begin clearing. Now, I'm going to go ahead and pause this up and see what's happening over there. Okay, so here is my recording. The VIN is missing, so we can turn the ignition key off. Turn the ignition key back on. And if all is good, it should marry itself. Give it just a second. I have to turn the key, take the key out. It did eventually come back on. It took a little bit last night to go ahead and get married up. I think that is what it's doing essentially. That's why it's flashing. We'll just give it a minute, 2, 3, whatever it takes. Like I said, I don't exactly remember how long it took yesterday for it to actually activate, but it did activate nonetheless. So, well, I went in the office. I didn't catch it. But anyway, now I lost my stations, I think. Of course, in the shop, I'm not getting a whole heck of a lot of signal in here. But anyway, I'll go ahead and turn this vehicle back off. I did put the maintainer on this time because I didn't know how long this was going to take. Alright, back on the desktop. I just been exiting out of here. So, passenger car, well, go back. 2006, passenger car, Chevrolet, W body, Monte Carlo LTZ, body and accessories, entertainment, module setup, radio, VIN relearn. Alright, thanks a lot. Actually, and thou shalt not make a fool out of me. Diagnostics. 2006 passenger car, Chevrolet, W body, Monte Carlo LTZ, body and accessories, entertainment, well, special functions, radio, okay, so most of you will have picked up on it, so we'll see you on the next one. Hope that helps you. Well, thanks everybody for the subscription. Head on down in the comment box, leave some comments. If you got questions, let me know. If the video leaves you confused, just ask and I will tell you why. And we'll see you all on the next one. Till then.